Nona is here now with the business. Hi, Nona.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
So the figures out today are showing that inflation pressures have eased a bit more than expected, and what's driving that?
Well, quite a few things, as a matter of fact. Cheaper airfares, cheaper fuel are two of the big ones. So a lot of people might be thinking, wait a minute, I'm noticing that my prices of power has gone up. Yes, it has, as well as, rents and so forth, and new houses too. But overall, inflation actually was flat in the second quarter ended in June from the first quarter ended in March at just, I think, what was it, 1%. So a 1% rise over the quarter, that's all. And that brought the annual increase to just 1.7%, which is really quite low. It's off its very, very, very lows that we've seen in the last couple of years, but still low enough for the Reserve Bank's forecast of keeping interest rates, holding them till about mid-2019 is looking more on the cards. And so, of course, that really threw the market today. They weren't expecting that.
And well, how did the markets respond today? What have they been doing?
Well, the dollar, the New Zealand dollar, dropped about 0.5 cent against the US dollar. That was fairly short-lived, though, because the US economy has some weakness that we don't see in the New Zealand economy, and therefore it's recovered all of that. It's at the moment, it's at 73.4 US cents, which is still pretty high. 92.9 Australian and 56 British pence. Now, the New Zealand top 50 index, it was doing extremely well. Yesterday we hit a record high along with a lot of other indexes through Asia and of course Wall Street. We've hung on to those gains and we've added just a few more. So we're now have a new record at 77.07. And that's up 0.1%. That's just a rise of 8 points. Now, Asia, on the other hand, it's come back a little bit. So we're doing pretty well in New Zealand. The market was fairly strong, and that reflects what's going on elsewhere in the world as much as anywhere.
And thanks very much for that, Nona.